is going very smoothly.
The PHE Minister Marquis Marak on Tuesday confirmed that the department is seeking an additional amount of ₹66 crore for completing the project of Greater Shillong Water Supply Scheme Phase 3 by December. According to him, the project got delayed due to several factors like delay in releasing the instalment from the centre, delay in getting permissions from PWD, Forest Department and even Shillong Cantonment Board. Regarding the implementation of the Jal Jeevan mission in the state, the minister informed that till date 58.86% has been completed.
We'll be getting the clearance from Hima Maplang very soon. We are hoping to get within next week. So if we get the clearances next week, so we are hoping to complete the project by December this year. JJN as of today, I think it is almost 59% now. We are very close to 4 lakh connections now. So once we get the 4 lakh connections, we'll be crossing 60%. And we're doing very well now.
The Assam-Meghalaya border